my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Ha-ha. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things
you've
Father, you done for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
Lord, you're my everything.
See, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle.
Yeah, fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebree. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo brei mu enunti ne yeto ye mboase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se ye taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Your fourth floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free Seven Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister ya gyina tomu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmeranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nuanom ne atiefo yamamu nyina achi da radio ase anopai wama yenkwa hoden ne yetimi asori yeda na ase se okoso hwe yen yeda mo so ase se na mo ba abeka ye ho ne yedi dwumadie anopai yewo lawyer Eunice wa ha a obebiebie ne ma bi so ene so akire yen na mubehu a na me na me host no for the first time me na me host nti ye behwe se na nema ebeko but the dikan titru say ye be koso abomu nyina abaso say mfi bebre ni no mo ne ye edi dwuma ye damase bebre and topic a ye de ba no emu ehwam na ayade a sebi obia ya bo wa bawiase bia no ayeden a obefem enti topic a Eunice abono tofa a ene obebie so a kire ye no aye topic a munyina munim se wo ba kromo ha na wo kafo a one nete no anyame frɛ na kwan ben na wo ho na nsa ne be yesa no ye be bisa Eunice na wa mayen update bi wo ho a na mom ene yen amone ye di dwuma no e frɛ BWF Solicitors mo de munim ye mfititete na BWF Solicitors den ye BWF Solicitors ye lawyer ko bi a omo London Seven Sisters na oma ye adwuma ya che omo pani oda no a ye miamete hai adwuma ma ye no 30 years sabio nyame adom munim ye nse ya ye adwuma yi fitita ma ye wo Leytonstone they call Dalston they call Brixton they aba Seven Sisters na ye adwuma ya che adwuma ya ye titiru immigration biom ye family law civil litigation say akoba say nsem bi enkoyie na abusuafo atwe homa nso family law say bi yere ni kun wantwi aba ana say ma empo say bi oba na kodi ba be nura say obi ofre na ni kun akogya ne ba esigana ana de ne British passport aba den na obetimi aye ebiom munim say ye Ghana for ti Ghana law no de yedi mu akotene pa ti no nso ya de ayeye ye chro reports ma courts wa ha me wa ha ma chro reports bebre ama almost all the local authorities are Greater London being so outside London ya chro reports cases are all my report to court of high court the ebako court of appeal ni nyina wo ho wa website da achibia no opesa mo hwa obetimi akoso se na be ya men kasa bebre no me de telephone number and na ye di dwuma no me de betudwa se na be ya mo betimi afre ene no call bia mo be bia na e be ba studio ha ye na e be fa wa ha because dwumadi no ye di no studio ha anka Thursday nka Prophet Stanley ananka oso Eunice na ene no okoba bi enti na wo se me na me ba be so nti numbers ene ye de be ya adwuma no ana gu computer no so na mom wo hwe computer na bi ade atua waso a wuti a number ye de be di dwuma no aye 020 123 1016 0208 123 1016 now person from mobile so a 073 99 20 8468. The numbers are yɛde juma na yɛbie telephone to ma obiara betimi afrɛ na question bi a obiara no yama mo. Eunice, mema wakɔ aba.
Mejel so.
Na abrabom te sɛn.
Yame adom bibi abɔkɔ.
Yo, yɛde nyame asenso sɛ ɔde wo abɛkyɛ yɛn ane Ghanafoɔ. Na ɛnɛ no wo update bi wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi abiebie so ana.
Pachan, mami.
Yo, ɛna ma ne nkɔe.
Mami ndikai enche ye tiefoɔ ne viewers a ɔmo hwɛ yɛn ɛwɔ Facebook so ɛne YouTube. And ɔmo tie yɛn wɔ BW radio so. Mikyia mo nyinaa happy new month and then 1st of September 2022. Nti me wish mo nyinaa a happy new month. Nkɔfa mo so ɔmo edi ɔmo birthday nyinaa. Me wish mo nyinaa happy birthday in advance. Me nyame enhyira mo nyinaa na ɔma mo nkɔ so de bia. Okay, nti sɛ de bia yɛ no yɛbɛma yɛ updates ansa na yɛakɔ yɛ main topic no so. Nti usually no yɛma updates in regards to your immigration law. Bibia new enshada embaye, but as of August, which is the last month at Ekoye, Home Office no ede enhyehyɛ FB to her in regards to applications for private lives and to conform person application for indefinite leave to remain in regards to the private life. Into last week, me born home come and I was saying in regards to young kola ya warm wo chrome ha into one be 7 will chrome ha then over to me I saying over to me indefinite leave to remain and no na or patch say because a colano what's not a chrome ha continuously for that 7-year period who on a birth set or sound so able to me actually say it will be unreasonable for a colano to go back to another chrome biso in senono sano na why application no for star akolano in the indefinite leave to remain. Ebia akolano one no chrome ha into no organ and sana or the neighbor. We had 2.5 ni to say wa into also sano a bear then now a application for indefinite leave to remain. So oya under 18 dia and there's akolano say we yan sa 2.5 for a 5-year period dia na also be to me qualify for indefinite leave to remain under appendix private life. And then akola ebia wapa 18 ya wono chrome ha in so no so what 2.5 nibi what's not a chrome ha for a continuous period of 5 years in see akola no or you're above 18 but or you're under 25 so akola no obetumi a kire say was spending more than half of their life ewo chrome ha inti no sano because we're spending more than half of their life no ewo chrome ha inti ono so sano kire say and also ayo akola obetumi application for indefinite leave to remain ewo UK chrome ha and now say sa nimpa na ebia watna chrome ha for 20 years and also hwehwe kwan bi so obetumi application for indefinite leave to remain so also sa or yes, a qualifying period of at least 10 years into 2.5 no obey and pempenswa for 10 years answer now also able to me application for indefinite leave to remain ewa chrome ha and I yes also what appendix settlement family life into ABA or your parents and answer ABA or your partner of Obia or your British and answer Obia or your settled ewa chrome ha. And now Crampo say Oba based on the fact say Uknu EU near when limited leave to remain ever chrome ha. And now say Oba now one chrome ha or limited leave to remain under your appendix EU. In no sano because we application no actually say we will qualify either under the 5-year route and now say under the 10-year route no. Or yet sa application no to show say why is our continuous period no. Ebia one that parent route no sir for the 5-year period and answer for the 10-year period. Ebia was just no now our partner route no so and I was about parents route no so ebia because of no in term etete and sa appendix settlement no combine it so we leave now on the parent route and the partner route, send your way to me a application no for indefinite leave to remain. And so it combines the other routes now also no, so that you would have that qualifying period to be able to make that application no for indefinite leave to remain. And so that idea when way and at least made the share. I know say continuously in comfort ebisa in regards to applications are almost dear to ma, of course delays abam. Yes, of course delays no, I think say it is very unreasonable because even what we catch say still now maintain 9 months near and I say 11 months near and I say a day over 1 year then I meet to me I afahu so what lawyer definitely lawyer no ever pre-action protocol and I say letter before claim atrom say sad delays we unreasonable but because of the fact that COVID by almost answer cancer because of Ukraine applications are almost different humanity almost to me and yet applications no as quickly as they should in some of the websites no so say there will be delays in terms of processing times in Tienshan and so we will of course say there are decisions coming through because of the fact say yes complaints any letter before claims say because of all of these issues in say so almost started almost making decisions in so much as say almost decisions ever and now say almost requested for further documents saying ya almost to me and make your decision in say what the buyer what the and so say almost the juma almost the baby baba in say no so ever hosa into your share with yeah, main topic. Now I make sure say obi biara person obi sana asem either on Facebook Live and answer on the main telephone lines. Not me to me so I shall say maybe some more questions. Yeah, I will be BWF Solicitors. You will 214 to 218 of Tottenham High Road no so. Your postcode no N15 4NP. Into your Ben 7 Sisters train station in Impair. So person over your office over to me afre your main office line 0208 493 7340 into 0208 493 7340. So open so book appointment in terms of the fact that baby a would know ewa into open Zoom consultation and answer Zoom appointment it best to me aye and also amount. Into you better so with your main topic now your 1 minute break say you bet to me at first.
Yo lawyer Eunice that was a bit brave. Now there back one what can I talk my sumia say a beboa a TF1. Yenim say sabi obi wo ho or partner and our warrior no gye asetena eba bema our reject me ba nti bi opeso gina na ba no so na ode gye asetena na wo ka sesi a no obetime de warrior na asetena aye partner route no ana eba na asetena aye parent of a child no say why 5 years so why 10 years so obetime de abom na ode aye ti honi biom na kire yen se na obetimi ayesa application.
Okay. Into your appendix settlement family life no kire say ebia we obia na under partner route no so. Into we are 2.5 years based on who kuno anasa we area or British anasa or settled anasa or limited leave on your appendix EU. And now muntem etete into because of anonsino wo 2.5 now wo kwa no na say wo sisa ekọ wo ba no so into ebia wo eba with ukno no anasa we yere no into eba no ebia no so e wo indefinite no so anasa a British child ana crampo say oya akola with limited leave to remain on your appendix EU into almost an emma wo asetna on wo ba no Obana or was British citizenship and as a settlement and limited leave to remain no or no so ena oinya with 2.5 akopem abia in rena would drink say to me wo settlement because what to say why 10 years are over to me I apply for indefinite leave to remain ebia o dream say wo 2.5 now we are on wo partner route no so no ebia encounter towards wo indefinite because ebia wo society and now koda wo ba no so instead of wo partner and say o hwe sanya over to me IS application for indefinite leave to remain into under your appendix settlement for family life no say wo over to me say why qualify for that continuous period of 10 years into 2.5 back on your partner and now I 2.5 3 our parent route no so now oh say because with 2.5 now I know it was for a continuous period of 10 years break bia ambim in say no sano ujina no so aka say because when you're 10 years ninti o pesa o year application under your appendix settlement family life no so senya also over to me enya indefinite leave to remain into a combine will leave now or partner route no so any parents route no so senya over to me so IS application for continuous qualifying period of 10 years under your appendix FM no so into no na me pesa me cheche
yo na ane na che say we at the papa because first no so wo switch here wontimi combine na age say we application we no set and as a long residence nti we ade a sabio yeda home office for us na Eunice ana topic here na me pese o baba ni kakra say ye kase bereaved partner ye potokasa what the betwi mu a bereaved partner our application as you say
into the Australia immigration rules and shada my definition but you need say under your immigration rules and my definition for partner into partner obi a waware no into obi a your spouse into wukunu anase oyere anase obi a onware no into sanimpa no woni na atena for at least a period of 2 years into wo kase sanimpa no your partner and I say obi beka say we civil partner into obi a on your street couple into or yeah the other side of the pond shall I say into sa nipa way either that nukunu obi a watna ekrom ha into nukunu anasa ne yere or yeah British anasa watna ekrom ha when your settlement and now come for say what's not chrome how when you're limited leave to remain under your appendix EU no so. And now said nipa no unmarried partner into sa nipa no's partner no ebia on natna onwa woba onwa ware into no so sa no so abeye ne partner. And now said sa nipa no so EU ni a waware no and say onware no. And now sa nipa no a EU no okra sa limited leave to remain under your appendix EU assay. Inti uhwe your appendix FM for bereaved partner na say na nipa no sa applicants no oti krom ha or limited leave to remain no ne partner no na oye obi a ono so onenete ekrom ha ebia we free during that time. Inti from the section on bereaved partner no your idea now said the main thing that I said will dream home say will partner now on it no during the time now mo daso ewo hono na sa nimpa no so efrim a untumi enye hwehwe nti say ye hwe ye definition of partner na ye the bereaved partner so kan ho a na ye kire say sa nimpa no na oye settled and I say British and I say okra sa limited leave to remain under your appendix EU no na no sano we free during the time of more relationship na mutimu no and say eno na your friend bereaved partner
yo na metiase a se obi ewo ekun ana eyere ana mpna one na tena at least mfie mienu omo a friend maybe a durable partner and ordinary client friend of common law relationship now matena 2 years na wasetena na yade ma wono wono wasetena se eye bema no ana oba no nti ana yade ama sɛ saa ɔbaa no anaa bɛrima no ɛka baabi a wobɛtumi ayɛ application because yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ woyɛ application ɛwɔ sɛ wɔne da so ne bɛrima no anaa ɔbaa no ɔba wei deɛ nyame ato nsa afrɛ no nti oni hɔ nti sɛ oni hɔ a wobɛtumi ayɛ saa application na wobɛtumi ayɛ a dan ne nhyehyɛeɛ a aban ayɛ ɛwɔ hɔ sɛ wodi so na wotumi adi nya wɔn krataa
Patrick, nti sɛ yɛka sɛ immigration rules na ɛyɛ dia aban no ɛde ahyehyɛ hɔ sɛ nea yɛn nso yɛbɛtumi ahwɛm ahwɛ sɛ nea yɛn nso yɛbɛtumi anya asetena sɛ biribi sei esi a ɛnyɛ dia yɛpɛ but sɛ wokunu anaasɛ wo yere anaasɛ wo partner no efiri a ɛyɛ biribi a ɛha adwen ebim bebree enim sɛ ɔmo kunu anaasɛ ɔmo yere efiri anaasɛ ɔmo partner ne firi a bibi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo betumi ayɛ afa ho ebia sɛnya me boss no ebia wodwen sɛ because na nware yɛ no ebia wontumi ɛnyɛ ho hwɛ but as long as you can show sɛ nipa na ɔyɛ wo partner no na wone na atena for at least that 2-year period ebia mu neighbor because ebia mutena yɛ one sheda anwo anaasɛ because of my age no there was nothing to say mo wɔ mba under 18 anaasɛ bibi saa nti wone saa nipa no atena nipa kro no efrim then na obetumi ayɛ afa wasetena no ho nti wo hwɛ yɛ Appendix FM under your section BPLID. Says obi or your application under your Appendix FM. Based on the fact that ne kunu anasa ne yere anasa ne partner efrim because of the fact that na all asetena ewo krom ha na ne kunu anasa ne partner anasa ne yere efrim ninti on to me enya setna based on the normal Appendix FM partner route because I saw to me say wukunu no eda sote what genuine and subsistent relationship but say ye share ye bereaved partner na I saw to me say sa wukunu anase wo yere na woni netina ye no na because of the fact say wenya asetna based on the partner route into wo roots now was so no answer na old free no it was based on the fact that yede ma wo as ne yere anase ukunu anase wo partner not as a fiancé not as a proposable partner into no so no now wo ka say because na asetena na yede ma wo no it was based on the partner roots nti o per se omo hwem na omo tumi eye ho bibi. Number 2, omo hwe say wo ka say oye application no o ka say wukunu no ampa we frame into wo death certificate to make sure say wukunu no we frame ampa anasa oye no we frame ampa. And then number 3, o kire say wukunu anasa oye na we frame no ansa no be frame no na onenete into na mo genuine and subsistent relationship mo nene mo tena mo ka say mo tena UK chrome ha into say ultimate stress and now was our intention say mo betena UK chrome ha into na oyo obi a ote to kwan into ABR for 6 months 7 months on ba UK chrome ha na odasoti baby a ote no on ba ya ebe den na wetumi a kire say na mo mienu no na mo tibum e wo UK chrome ha mo pese abai no edwen say na mo ntimbum into sanyama we no ubetumi a kire by way of the documents ABR or bank statements or utility bills or nyama HSN na or so at chrome ha or tiane bills or so at chrome ha or ye ne business and answer or so at chrome ha or ye juma in nyama way nina so HSN at least sanding panel na only it chrome ha more genuine and subsistent relationship in no sano so what the documents o kire say anya won kwa na wote na wo na wukunu na ete nti won behia wukunu so documents anya won kwa wo documents won behia wukunu so documents nti wukunu say obetumi enya ne bills ne bi obetumi enya enyema from ABI insurance enyema ebetumi achesa na motibom nti enyema at least won betumi ehu say na wo ne wukunu etem na mo bobra together. And no na person who send a move to me and make a decision based on the fact say no kruno na mote a krum hano na ma warrior no and some relationship no na so into a idea na ampa more ho and sana all free into of we free media and there say omo to me share na omo to me ma indefinite leave to remain na obe to me a death na UK a krum ha into and also so to make sure say at least asitna na mama one sana wukunu no efrim no na on the partner roots. Secondly, wukunu na say we no we free and thirdly say wo kire say wukunu na say we na won net no na mo genuine and genuine subsistent relationship mu a muti krom ha inse no so sa no na omo hwe say ya won wetumi e de asitna no so ama. Yeah.
Yo, lawyer Eunice, where the dawas and in Chichrimui. Na, o a warrior dear, Yame Chow, a warrior or Chow, Timichow Baka. Tis a or ba, I was our remo, Nane Mame, and Nane Papa baby, money I ha. And I be crowd bow than a bar warrior. Na, Papa and Mammy a free mui. So we have application now. Ube to me at the Akolaya Kahuana.
Into your Appendix FM, so we share your section on bereaved partner and kabibia and far akolano home. But so we share your immigration rules now. A case say ABA we share akola, not akolana ye with dependent into we share child roots no so. And share that entry must say over to me I application for indefinite leave amasa akolano. But a say open so we application for indefinite leave there and there's so which says akolano because enamo so nintina onya za asitna for leave to remain inti enono sano na o chere say because when you indefinite leave to remain inti almost the child inti ye share ye gen 3.2 based on exceptional circumstances and the fact that sa akolano so ono so into me enya sa asitna na wo na it will be unduly harsh for that child. Inti say oh kase because of akolana wa won inti wo wait me enya wo indefinite leave to remain based on wo kunu anasa wo area we from but because akolano on shada any roots be a over to me I application no o person home office for no so share yeah exceptions anasa exceptional circumstances under your GEM 3.2 and now say abia because we are for no abia what are roots no so partner roots no so for a period of 5 years into to say yeah private life roots no akolano so other so for that 5-year period then it means that over to me I application no for akolano under your appendix private life because akolano so it to me enya na sitna no for that 5-year period no on that route. And now say abia akolano ye wonu krom ha into we D7 crampo area into also star no so ebe to me your application no based on the fact that ye wonu krom ha with D7 into also star a year application for indefinite leave to remain based on private life route no so into there are alternatives in regards to children into no sano either say Oma home office for no I based on more discretion under ye Gen 3.2 of the immigration rules and now say akolano ebeba ye appendix private life settlements no so or say either say when you're 2.5 no for a qualifying period of 5 years because or you're under 18 and now say we won't work room into with D7 and so also a application no for indefinite leave to remain on your appendix private life no so into those are the 3 options in terms of inkola or your dependence on a bereaved partner also. Yeah.
Yo, lawyer Eunice, where that was na yetiasia say ukun ana wo yere ka baabi na wo ba ha ana wo wa ha say kun ana eyere a o ka baabi kra nhihye wo ho a obetime nya asetena so wo ba obetime de ba na ka ho na de mpese mbisa ne say sabio saadi we ba wani would timi hwe baabi a obehu say wani aye kakakaka na orefi na wo visa no ewu a na wo say wo krom ana visa na wu no kra obetime aye application
Into visa no ewu na o chres home office for ne say during the time now unya will last leave to remain na wo partner route no so na unim crampo say bibi wo ho say ya ubetumi aye as long as you are able to show say now will last leave now wo so no na based on wo kunu anasa wo yere na o no then they will be able to use their discretion in terms of the fact that watch the wukunu and answer we hearing away from, and the fact that now at least now watch the wukunu and we hear now on the now more relationship no genuine. And so omo say wo asetna na wo no na based on the partner route no so but na unim crampo say bibi wo say a ubetumi aye. Then they would then use their discretion to then make that application to say, okay, ebi I will now win, but afe na we be who say, bibi wo say ya over to me aye application ama omonso ahwem ade ama.
Yo, yada lawyer Eunice ase and asana watimi a church nsemu ya to asum yi abusuafo. Unfortunately, no, abrabono sana eteno, bibie timisi, witimi, epra, witimi wu, bibi timisi, enti, important, sir, yabe man crofo artist ansem we, sir, ukun, ana wo yere, and inti no de ba kromu hano, so waka baby, and uncheresa was setano, I say, no more, bakra wo more, and no so crying cheresa colano, untimintina, the here titiru, they say, will be application, now the ako. Now, lawyer Eunice, you see him say, wo koje indefinite stay na. Ebi wo I was say English na life in UK. Also who ana wo yere wu. Sabi o ani kra wo de ebesua de kra wintimi nsua. Enti sa nkrofo yi omo kwaya application for indefinite stay na. E was almost omo ye English ni bia na.
Enti appendix settlements no. Say obi a bereaved partner, that person is excluded from doing the English language test and a life in the UK test. But say ya kola wedding more than 18 dia and that person would have to do that English language test and as a life in the UK test maybe. But based on your section bereaved partner there, standing panel on your life in the UK and a English language test maybe. And so only exempt from those tests.
We dear asem papa abusuafo ene ade a yesua ne se wo ba ha asekun ana eyire ana se mprampo a woni bema na na oba no atena from fie mienu a na wasetena na ugina so a time na bema no na oba no wui na ya asetena se partner ntine de mawa se oka ba bi ana nyame frɛ na wo nhwere wasetena no ye be mawo asetena edimu na asetena edimu no ye de mawa uhia sa wobeye English ana wobeye life in UK na emu akwala kra nso ka ho a wobetimi ade akwala na ka ho the lawyer Eunice ka so a me da bibre ni se eba se na owuo na ba no mpofrim na bia ofisa no kra bia ewu kakra eno nkyere se e wo se wo free akokrom ana se wontimi nya application still wobetimi aya application ama aban no ebesom the ebe ne se ye pese ye hu sana nkrofo amo perform se ne niema enti ye be kire mo ade kakra BWF Solicitors sana munim no ye community based lawyers ye bibia ye bia ye dwen community no ho ye website ye website no sabio ye de resource egu ho sa resource no sana be application bi se wo pese wo ye ana wo pese wa kokenkan law no ana wo pese wo ye bibia ebetimi aboa enti ye be kire mo se wokọ BWF Solicitors your website na wokọ immigration and nationality hona o click immigration and nationality a ado be kọ ba bi foforo saa de ni nyina no kire immigration law mawo to me kire ye niemem wokọ ase kakra wo be hu se ye wo links bi wo ho enti se wo abusuani bi a opese oba UK as a visitor o click visiting UK a wa hu say de wa akọ form no so a wa obetimi aye se yesa akọ akire na ye hwe wo BWF Solicitors website ne so wosi o me pese me baby be school na minim se na meye no minim form ko a me fele o click studying in UK a e do be ko o hwa ase a e ma o studies ni nyina e wo ho se wo kwa akire BWF website ne so na wosi o okay me pese me ba UK e be ye adwuma na minim form ko a me fele form be na me fele o kwa your website no e do ko home office website na watimi afele website no na bi kra na ye go back bi awsi o lawyer me de me pese mo cases here mo kan immigration rules immigration cases here no mo website there no until you click immigration cases all right bottom right now wo be hu immigration cases no o click here mo say e de mo court ho sana cases ni nyina immigration cases wo betimi use the ayo case no enti BWF Solicitors your website no e wo resource bebre wo ho a se obi ehia se obehwe ana se ye bibi policy and law uko nifa ho asro kakra na obon se ye wo policy and law wo hwe policy and law niema ye betena ha ye kanyina egu ho enti se wo pese uko your website na aye www.bwfsolicitors.com www.bwfsolicitors.com o click your website na nkasa click if akon actual BWF no ubehu se e do be ko website no kama e kira onema ye nyina o ko practice area example e kira say ye dispute resolution ye family law ye Ghanaian law and ye immigration law o be say unya ye contactor and now if you book consultation kra na book a consultation o click here e be yi form bi ama sa form no o click no so a e do be koso pepe na the information na bre no book na ya frel na yetimi ene wadi nkomo enti obia se wo adamfo bi oso me fill form we na me hu se na meye no be say the lawyer Eunice kan no pese me ye bi mo bi form be na menya oko BWF Solicitors website so a na oko immigration and nationality a na oko form a ubehu se form so no ne link ne bibia ye de aguso ti abusuafo BWF Solicitors sana munim no ye was 7 sisters ye were 4 floor and a house 214 to 218 High Road London N15 4NP na your phone number office ye bi so ope lawyer Eunice ope lawyer Richard ope lawyer Patrick ope lawyer Charles ana ope Auntie Cynthia ana say ope any case workers na ana person offer your office na wo Ghana no kra na offer 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 offer lawyers be brave or wa obetimi ni o makasa lawyer Eunice na question bia me pese me bisa obi aba UK or the partner route ne buy or the buy no bedu ya na ni kun no eyare enti wabedu be 2 months ni on di 5 years on di 2.5 on di 1 year bema no na dwuma ye no ase nti oni 186 no oba no so oba onya adwuma ko oba ni kun yare nti ni kun no hwe no onti ono nso ntimi nya 186 no so yes application na ye hwe 186 na ase ye nhwe
nti ye obibi ewo ye Appendix FM no so in regards to partners say o kasa wo partner age benefits bi na ebia because of benefits na urgency muntumi emit sa financial requirements and no sano almost as specify under your partner routes eligibility requirements ne say sanipa no oye British and after oye settled no age either disability living allowance and now say oje PIP almost say personal independent payments because sanipa no enya some form of disability be into no sano because of a no or just asikano into say nunti na untumi emit sa 18,600 na then they can exempt you from meeting that 18,600 requirement because of the fact that ukruda waba yara no just a paper or just a disability living allowance. Instead, no will exempt you from the 18,600 a year. And so, to me, ada so leave to remain also based on what partner now on anything.
Yo, yeah, that's Busian for sir, who person will studio now? Yeah, telephone number no, 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Now, person will mobile and so on. 073 99 20 8468. Lawyer Eunice, I will be the question about Facebook. Or say, I was on the parent route for 2.5 years, and on my renewal, I was granted 2.5 years based on my partner. My next renewal is next year. Can I apply for indefinite leave to remain, or I have to do another 2.5? Thank you.
And so, if I crawl away, what to say? When you have 5 years out, and also I know to me apply for indefinite leave to remain. But my main church will say, and say, or say first 2.5 no not our parents' route no so, and as you see our partner route no so. I'm sure say based on this second 2.5 now we know, or according on the 5-year route no so. Pacho bebre 5-year route now omode ama ono. Nensha se F started from the time a obenya or partner also onene etia o meet sa requirements. Either say wo che say oye obi a one sa wo kunu a wenya British citizenship ete and now say onya settled status and so wo ne wo kunu a onya settled status ete. And then you are showing, say, your relationship with sa uknu anase or area anase or partner grandpa on warrior no, a genuine subsistent. In say no sano, na ochre almost say because more meeting sa relationship requirements no, more san actually almost say who meet sa immigration status requirements. In see immigration status requirements nature say you are not here for less than 6 months. And the fact that you are also not here based on abia assisting among farmer or into you are not an overstayer. And also Sano, you are telling them say because me are 2.5 based on me bana abia or ye British and answer ye settled e wo krom ha. Sisi ade me was sitting e wo krom ha me pese me switch call me kunu no so. Nti me ye me application and sana me leave no ewu. Into me meet immigration status requirements. No? Also, actually, say we meet English language requirements because why level A1 and answer A2. And then you are also telling them, say, over to me, I meet this financial requirement of at least 18,600 a year. And you also meet the accommodation requirements. Into say, meet requirements waiting now, not only the water partner route, no so, say, almost partner route 5 years. Then it means say, we 2.5 now with the amount no. So we sign another 2.5 on that same route no so, which is the partner route. And sana we consider say ubenya sa indefinite leave to remain. Into say the assistant on parents' route now, it is a different requirement altogether on the partner route. Into some the amount based on the partner and there so that's so. And now our partner routes no so for 5 years answer away to me ISR application for indefinite leave to remain. In say patcho so UTM so yeah another 2.5 answer now application for indefinite leave to remain on partner also.
Yo lawyer Eunice ya dasi bebre ba konso amenya o say me ba ha asayire na me bedu ya no 2 years pepepe ana me kunwui enti but adwuma ameye no almost application amaye no me need proof bia se metime koso ye adwuma because me kun no ewu omo maka trom se me kun ewu but my application for indefinite leave and my enti lawyer Eunice then I metime aya metime akoso aya adwuma no
okay enti say e bia why application no e hom baaye embaye but wait to me actually almost say wo kunu no we from e bia na won share that any documents bia nti dia wo no e na wo de come omo nti e bia wo kunu no ade a onim say na e wo fie no e the bank statements nti the bank statements na crampo na e current nti old ones no e na wo de call ye and I say bills no one a wotua nti bibia e wo di mu a wo kire say na wote efie hono bi nti e bia wo kunu no wan sheda enja ne documents bia e wo fie e bia na bibia e online nti ne online account no e bia won need details no nti won sheda any those documents obetumi catch almost say because of the fact said na ukru na onenete no now most of the things he was paying it online and ya dia obetumi onsaka sa documents no they can also do their checks with HMRC because home office was at 2 no and obetumi aye those checks into say ebia na ukru no the pay slips no eba online the bank statements eba online Oman Kasan so able to me I those checks no with HMRC to see whether this person was working in the UK, was doing something able to me actually almost say na nipa way or daso crass account way and answer or daso juma with this company way. Almost so sano able to me I find it out say sa nipa na ebia ejuma no or jai sa time way and or jai sa period way. Into home office no I was so to me now, almost to me, dia sa checks no with HMRC, any banks no ni na. And she said, "O catch almost say, who needs our details now?" Almost to me so I yes those checks under your Borders Act of 2007. I think so. Will be a phone line also.
Yo, Onya, yama watching you, Pacho. Udini baby, I will free.
Yo, good morning, Uncle Ben. The Pacho. Oh, okay, very good. Pastor, your friend, Nana, Mr. Sorry. Uncle Ben, Eunice. Yeah.
Yo, Nana.
Pastor, no quick question. Yo, Nana.
My question, Uncle. Tie what phone so why? My question, Uncle.
Me Pastor, you. Me Pastor, say, oh, worry you, not almost refuse, not assembly court. Not say, oh, we in court, no. Not say, oh, try home office for implementation now. That's a Maya. Can home office able to me frame for interview and
Lawyer Eunice, Pacho answer no my.
Inti say ebia wo application na wo ye no na ye as a partner of an EU national. Wako court na agentum say sa application na wo ye na enye say mo refuse inti omo allow decision no. Say home office no anka say home decision na court na make here no is an error of law. Into omo ansa anye appeal. Say omo say decision no was not in line with the law there. And their court no aka no na say home office for no so implement this decision no sir. Into say omo anye appeal for any reason whatsoever. Na omo say before you ever implement wo decision no say yes I interview bioma then it is going against the whole point of implementing the decision of the court in say no no you have to go back to the court's decision that they made say implementation no say mo policy nature say court make a decision na one further appeal na say woman nipa no ne nkrata nti based on one customer guidance na mo work for implementation no some to me ma signing panel residence card and I say you be a ofifi eba na some woman nipa no ne permanent ne family permit or debate to me a room nti they cannot therefore go again and say almost sign aye interview biom after the court has allowed the decision.
All right. Pastor, no, I thought it was
you, home office for Nankasa, crowd guidance, I trust I was so mudi court decision also. So before fraud, so your fraud say, Onya, your fraud saying, I hear now free fee. Hello, Onya, your fraud saying, I hear now free fee.
But also, Minka.
Ye tonka pa medofo.
Pacho, a friend me queer, Pacho me free Scotland.
You ekia manenko.
Pacho, then I come to me bisa, me naturalization and I may fill it form no me by myself. But me fill it form no me too baby na ask about the card that me cross say BRP or but me a bit confused because me were permanent residence card that me through EU family member and I me were me EU settlement scheme for the indefinite leave to remain. Into me name say the permanent residence card na me cross and on is being classified under the BRP no. So I'm a bit confused.
Lawyer Eunice by answer. And Tiasuneti.
Into fashion, say, why permanent residence card now? That is the only card that you have. Instead, no, and a biometric residence permit card now. Bisa Hwase. Into we share right hand corner of the card now. It has the number that they are referring to. Into now the biometric residence permit card number no asheho.
What you say? Okay. Yo. Lawyer Eunice, sir, obi woha na oda sukra permanent residence. Na onye EUSS na. Advice be na ode be masa nipa no. Ye nua ba we de wa ye EUSS no. Ba card no oda sukra. Advice be na ode be nipa no. Inti sir, o krom ha either as an EU national and now say a family member of an EU national. Na ukra permanent residence card and as a residence card krampuna ye na ye nim say because of ye Brexit ninti UK government no asheda ye appendix EU and I say ye EU settlement scheme senya nkrofo a mo ye EU for and as mo family no ebe protected because ye nim say EU mbra no enye ejuma ewo eprum ha. And they did announce, say, as of the 30th of June 2021, no, EU regulation 2016-2016, no, but EU4 hobine. In see, say, unim, say, uti krom ha, ukra residence card, and now say, ukra the permanent residence card because we are a family member of an EU national. And now say, one kasa we are EU ni ukra EU passport. Na unto me and yes our EU settlement scheme no by the 30th of June 2021 no na omo aka say a reasonable reason the NCA went to me and your EU settlement scheme application and you are not protected under the law because so uti krom ha now dream say was our permanent residence card and as a residence card as a family member na unto me and yes our EU settlement scheme no. Then it means that one person only right to work, only right to rent, only to mean crab bank account. Into Bibia everbo, but so wait to me, ISR EU settlement scheme nedia. Now unim say Bibia ese uye biano, regardless of the fact that we crab permanent residence card, and I say ukra ye residence card nibino. Na uche almost say at least. Metumi ayem EU settlement scheme maybe nti embrana modia bana mo friend appendix EU no so me sha ase bi nti metumi so ayedwuma metumi so arrent metumi so ekra bank account aye bibia ese me ye bia te say obi a ote UK chrome ha nti se won ye ya patcho bebre as of 30th June 2021 only asset na nti so so oye sa EU settlement scheme ni be senya so sa no with me akoso at na UK from her. Yo lawyer Eunice, that was bebre. Na akaya 9 minutes na ya wi. Say we person of fresh studio na. Your numbers in here 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016 and our friend mobile now. I 073-99208-468. Eunice, obi de question bia aba me we no. Or say, lawyer Eunice, what is the difference between bereaved partner and domestic violence.
Okay. So now would see me at the beginning of the program. Now me say yeah, immigration rules and said that and define who a bereaved partner is, but at least share what a partner is. And so you name say a partner yeah obia ebia waware no, and I say obia unware no, but unena at now for at least period of 2 years. And I say ebia sa nimpa no crampo no or ye EU near when you limited leave to remain into either say waware no and I say unware no, but sa EU nimpa no or limited leave to remain under your appendix EU no so. Say na ukra asetna ewo krom ha for limited leave to remain. Na sa nimpa no efrim dia na wabeye bereaved partner. But say wo ka say ebia ukru no mfrim insi na oyewo ayakayaka de insi wo pese wo your application based on domestic abuse. Sa nimpa no, it doesn't just have to be your partner. It can be any family member. Into say, oh, say, sa partner na ebia na onam no so edinya asetna ewo krom ha na oye wa yakayaka de into cohesive behavior ebia na usika na say odema okrampo no on farm ma into financial abuse so oshe wo ene nkola no one won kasa obefia is always moody, emotional neglect, abuse. All of those things come under Appendix FM that will share applicants for domestic abuse. Those are the sort of things that they are looking at. Into say nimpano obi awa abuse and you are saying say because enam no so nti na medinya asetna nti sanimpa we because of inyama na ode yam ya na mentumi enye ho hwe nti me pese me application based on domestic abuse there and there ubetumi ayi application because nipa kon on free but nipa no eda so wo ho a wo pese o kire say relationship no in term not to cry into I break it down permanent into na wo yes application.
Yo lawyer Eunice obi wo line so ampa cha bo din na chere bia wo fafi
me pacho the from coffee pacho me ka tell of London.
Yo mpacho I don't pay question here then
pacho na pay question madam for bia Ghana me pacho apply visit visa na all apply no omo refuse no na refuse omo janso ne say secure the track account no no encountment of money and no and into omo janso the refuse no that means almost all this cash and quantity track account no like one year money transfer honestly the jama no cash in hand and na oje ona ye weather whether into Joanna Messano, this kind of shit, so that could track country. But central currency and say it's got a better country in a cash into no, and into my chance of the refusal. And also, I'm trusting to me this man, patch up.
Yo, lawyer Eunice by answer.
Into sawa down for now, what kind of ask them no? I'm sure so long as I win a business. Oh yeah, or they can into accounting. And I know that now we are trying to register companies and things in Ghana. And to say why registration of the business on far and no documents nature say the business now or say business. And because of the fact that most of the business is cash in hand and they are over to me actually say for a transfer to cannot directly into that account. And say no or say or this cannot to accounting after ABR weekly sales and I say or this cannot to accounting after every day sales and as or this to accounting after every month sales. And so depending on how regularly he puts the money into the account. Now I'm a whole further explanation say because of the business now or you need say and all the two accounts every week and I say every day and I say every month senya at least over to me a home account into say or your accounts ever home so over to me a produce and no aka the company documents no so home na at least who say a genuine business or and bibia or on the side because I think say most of the time no so we're sure there are a lot of things going on that is not legitimate. In saying legitimate money, now they will be looking at it with very cautious eyes. In say, ultimately produces that documentation and show me say the business na you registered, ne sika na onya no say na auditum. At the end of the month, say no and onya. Into at the end of the year, be an accountant, a home accounting reports. Na or the bibia atutu ye into so the documents we so can I'm sure say ebeboa ne application also all
yeah so you really sympacho whether empacho whatever ma they all can or yelling but adiba kwa and one fan can accountant na and only and one fan can but we already send a jumano even because we be share juma or the receipts at the mano HSA Osme Savage Jumaka saying, or the account bus, and still we come out 2 times, almost still now one a skirt to not count counted couches into 9 time by January Fusono. And I said about all the moment to my Yamayan and Pacho.
Pacha into my name for office line now.
Only the organ, you know. So we be a minimum.
Okay, you into either or no way to me afraid your office no organ and as a was so person over now wait to me a booking number.
Okay. But that's you about
that's the brain. We shall force more visitors application. Now Nipano I self-employed, I cash in hand. Sana Eunice Kano. My accountants and prepare accounts on count. Na for account bank statements and the receipts. So na etime. Original line so I'm say last caller I hear fano. Pacho your frau say na he na wo frefi.
Me pacho me de queer make a self spending.
You a queer no pay.
Me pacho my question here about graduate route.
You man
me pacho me school no na yamame graduate route no and so enche edewu na me bisa say me wa kwanya bi a metimi asaye application bi.
Okay. Into the graduate route no is only to give you a period of time saying ya ube to me ahwehwe edwuma aye e wo krom ha into say bia we will studies no my graduate route of 2 years. Until during that time no na almost expect to say obehwehwe adwuma omo to me ama sa skilled worker visa no so. Until bia why 1 year on the graduate route account 1 year say ohwehwe adwuma with a sponsor omo to me offer sa skilled worker visa. Into every employer bia and able to me ama sponsorship no and as able to me ama certificate of sponsorship into no sano employer able to me ama certificate of sponsorship able to me atwa so on the skilled worker route atna ekrom ha or let's say what we will be e wo krom ha na open nipa asem no so pe wa asem Ojidi says nipa we na opesa odene probra. So if you are saying say we share obi e wo krom ha either say nipa kono e British and I say okra indefinite leave to remain and I say oye obi a oye EU ni a okra limited leave to remain obetumi aswitche akọ sa partner route no so and I say mo wo back together so a mo betumi aye application on the fact say wa wari nipa we and I say oni nipa we e wo ba mo pese mujina eno no so e dey application ma wan kasa until you have the choice of finding work on a skilled worker route and I say obeba family life no so.
Okay. Martin.
Okay, I told some.
Atomaso.
Yo, that's it. I was here for
Okay. Thank you.
aha, anya dimbesi na emo ansa na yebekọ no. Lawyer Eunice, obetimi abo niam na na yebuebu enu no obetimi abo ni nyina atofa amaye.
Okay. Inti and then I topic no efa obia oti chrome ha ebia nukunu anase na yuri efrima opese oye application edit na e chrome ha. Inti se ebia obaye ukunu anase oyere anase wo bia wona niti e chrome ha mo nhyeda enware enti nipa krono eye wo partner. O ka se saa nipa we enam no so na medinya me 2.5 na medetna e chrome ha. Nipa kro we film enya ade a metumi enya bibia biom se we film de a mentumi enye ho hwe nti ebe den na metumi aye enya asetena e wo krom ha nti based on na the America no na America say obetumi a kire se we live na omode ma wo 2.5 na omode ma wo no na ye based on say we your partner of obi a we British anase obi a okra settled status e wo krom ha anase obi a okra EU passport but we yan limited leave to remain e wo krom ha sa asetena na omode ma wo no so obetumi a kire se because wo krom na anase wo yere no we frame ninti wo bisa omo senya omo betumi ama wo indefinite leave to remain because na wo krom anase wo yere na wo nenete no na mo relationship e wo ho painting na mo ya madwen kwapo se mo tena ekrom ha ye nyema bi but we ebesi ye no muntumi enkoso enye dia na mo ma plan se mo beye into wo share on home office for ne say woni sanipa krowe and etna ye documents from one kasa ho ene nipa na na oye British and asa oye settled and asa na okra EU passport with limited leave to remain e wo krom ha na wo kire mo se nipa no so efrim into death certificate no wo de ebema omo na wa kire mo se ampa na wo 2.5 e wo krom ha ansana wo kunu na se wo yere no o frim se wo akola so bi wom na o ye application na obetumi e de akola na oye dependent child no so aka application no ho inti either say omobema akola no indefinite leave to remain based on almost exceptional circumstances and I say akola no because on also enya qualifying continuous period of 5 years or the atna ekrom haninti ombetumi amane indefinite and I say akola no crampo wo no ekrom ha inti wenya 7 and also say no obetumi aye indefinite leave to remain application say about life in the UK test and I say English language test ne there no there onka ho be because there is no requirements say we life in the UK and I say we English language test bia into no sano na ode akola na ka ho na mwaye application no into and ya cheche nyama bebremu but enye immigration ehun nyama nko a na ye de ho adwuma sana ye boss so beginning of the program no ye family applications any things like child arrangement orders any divorce any nyama to say non-molestation orders any occupation orders ye civil litigation so say obi de kana why bibia any factor based on the contract so no ewa and also star no ye ho adwuma inti debi yen kan say o issue and say o adamfo and say o obi ebia ohia yemboa na wetumi nso I recommend this nipa no to BWF Solicitors senya your website no aye krado na at least wetumi actually almost say yen so your website and say almost so no ebetumi akọ your website no so ahwe dia almost here nti we are bonfire said that and there you be sign issue mo the details no sign ebeto dwa na se mu hia yen mo betumi nso afre yen BWF Solicitors you were 7 sisters you were 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so you were London postcode N15 4NP into N15 4NP. Your main office line, you be from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Monday to Friday. Into your main office line, 0208 493 7340. Into 0208 493 7340.
Your lawyer Eunice, and that was Facebook family, Moamutie, BWF Solicitors TV. Munina ya damase. China, yawaha, China topic, no. I am more pesa modemabusian for bahas, nurses, and our carers. And I wa Juma or pesa will call license. Now we timidly pay free Ghana, and I baby for froba. Sana obey, I'll be timmy keep license, no problem, mbaho. And I say, oh, pesa oba when your license. Then we'll be doing when your problems, or to be a boa, a chinano near Becano. Lawyer Eunice, that was be brave. Yeah, studio manager, a die, also ya that was say, Busia for your dobiase. Yamea doma, a china, memenda, ye beshiamo, ewaha. Yamisha na yasaishia. Bye bye.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ni ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nyeden kra. Yen partner penimpa, Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron, 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na busuansem bi te se child care, eya abofrahwe mu, awaregya ye ho twema mentwe. Ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a, ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care, any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu. Enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 a.m. kosi 6 p.m. Ena memene danso appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.